Mr. Rahul Shekhar, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 32 in mechanical engineering in GATE 2021.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very good, Rahul. Can you share your native place, native state?
Yeah, I belong to a place near Nainital in the hilly state of Uttarakhand, and I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from IIT Kanpur in 2019. And yeah, mm, my father is working as a professor uh, in genetics and plant breeding department, and my mother works in mid-level managerial job in district agriculture office.
Okay, great, great, Rahul, great, Rahul. Rahul, you are an IITian, that too from IIT Kanpur. Why did you want to take this GATE exam? Do you have any idea of specifically going for PSU or any other reason?
So my prime idea after passing out from college was to prepare for engineering services. But I did prepare for it, but I was a bit late in joining the coaching and I missed certain classes. And yeah, so I missed around 33 to 40% of the syllabus in the first go. So I was not able to do it, not able to perform well in the ESE 2020 and ESE GATE 2020 as well. But in the lockdown, I used the period very efficiently, and then yeah, I improved in GATE, and hopefully I will be doing good in ESE also this year.
Good, Rahul. Rahul, in AS Academy, we have different coaching programs. Can you tell exactly the which coaching program that you have joined in AS Academy?
Yeah, firstly, as I was telling, I joined ACE Delhi Center in 2019. But since I was very late in joining, I joined around first week of August, and after that, also due to some personal problems, I was not able to complete the classes. So after that, in the lockdown period, I took Deep Learn, which is the online digital platform, and yeah, completed the remaining part of the syllabus from Deep Learn during the lockdown period.
Okay, I understand, Rahul. So the main source for you is that yes, Deep Learn digital recorded classes.
Yes, okay. In the last year.
Okay, well done, Rahul. Rahul, in our Deep Learn platform, all the subjects syllabus is divided into small modules. Let us say 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, like that. So, what was your take on that division of modules? How it was useful for the students?
I believe it is very holistic in nature. There is nothing that has been missed in the syllabus, and it has been completed very thoroughly. And one can plan if one wants to plan for himself, he can do it very easily, and in small segments he can build whatever if someone has, like it was in my case, I missed certain parts of theory of machines, then I have to specifically go to that part only, and I can very well complete the syllabus. And yeah, particularly the questions, there are lots of questions that have been solved. Practice questions are very helpful, and I believe it is a very good platform, and it really helped me.
Okay, very good. Rahul, how many times did you watch those videos?
I think for some videos, most of the videos I watched once only, but for some I have to watch twice. And
okay, right. Very good, Rahul. Did you prepare any notes also while watching the video?
Yeah, that is very preliminary thing. That is very must, because if we don't prepare notes, I don't think we will be able to remember it after a month or even after a week. So I used to while I am watching video, I used to where I have to write, I used to pause or I used to slow down the video and then I used to write it. And in the evening time, I used to make short notes out of those notes.
Achha, right. While watching the video, you slow down the video speed and you could write down some important points.
Yes.
Again, from that notes, again you have prepared a short notes also.
Yes, so that in the same day or in a span of 1 2 days, if that note goes through my mind twice, then yeah, it definitely helps to regain it for a longer period of time.
Very good. Good approach you have followed, Rahul. I think this should be a lesson and motivation for other juniors also. Those who are preparing for GATE exam using our Deep Learn platform, online recorded classes. Yes. Right, Rahul. What about the test series? I think the test series also equally important for your
sir. Yes, sir. I followed a standard operating procedure that firstly I would make class notes, then short notes out of the class notes, and while that syllabus is being finished, I would follow the what we say previous year booklet. And after the syllabus is completed, I used to, it means, study the subject from short notes, give the test, study the subject from short notes, then give the test. So this way I'm giving subject test, and when all the subject tests are done, give 3-4 tests for ESE prelims, 3-4 tests for gate. So yeah, this way in a span of 10-15 days, I'm completing one round of revision and then moving on to the next one.
Good, good, very good, Rahul. Very good, Rahul. Rahul, from your success in the GATE examination, can you share some tips or some strategic plans so that the other aspirants of the GATE exam they try to follow and emulate you?
Yeah. First of all, I would say to everyone that one must have the belief in himself that he can do it, because several other people have done it. So anyone and everyone can do it. It's not that only very talented mind or something, but with great amount of patience and perseverance, everyone can do it. So yeah, one should keep belief in himself. Then one should not try to complicate the exam. It is not as complicated as people think it to be, or for a GATE, ESE, anything. Though people should go to class regularly. One should have in mind that he will be able to finish the syllabus by October end or November beginning or something like that. One should have that time, then finish the syllabus. While finishing the syllabus, also, then one must have also made short notes and previous year. If one is able to do this till October end or November, then he has ample of time to do the revision and practice large number of test series. In the last 2 months only, revise from short notes, test series, revise from short notes, and then test series. So I think this would be a very good approach. It worked for me. I hope it will be working for many others as
well. Good points that you have shared, Rahul. Rahul, actually, you have joined our Delhi branch for this regular classroom coaching. But unfortunately, because of this COVID-19 lockdown conditions, you could not avail. Did you ever regret for losing that offline regular classroom coaching classes?
So actually, means classroom coaching, the great benefit of classroom coaching is that you don't have to bring that lot of motivation, because since everyone is in the class, means it's not very tough to join class daily. But in recorded classes, you have to bring large amount of inner motivation. So I believe classroom coaching is easier as compared to recorded videos. But yeah, I don't regret very much.
I think there was no other option for us, right?
Yes, sir. At that point of time, it was the best thing to do.
Yes, sir.
And for those who are preparing from self, or who are in college years, or those who are preparing with job, I believe the recorded classes are a very, very helpful thing.
Absolutely, because not everyone can afford to come to metropolitan cities to avail the classroom coaching. And there may be third-year students, there may be final students who
definitely
live at their hometowns. And moreover, this coaching is not available in not all locations.
Yes, sir.
Especially if you see the tier 2 cities, etc.
Yes.
So for those students, the only alternative is either postal coaching, otherwise online live classes, otherwise this type of deep learning, recorded digital classes.
In those cases, recorded videos are very, very helpful. Means it has been taught in very, very precise manner, and I don't think any question can be out of the syllabus from those videos. So if one has been able to grasp that thoroughly, he will definitely do good. Will do very good.
Very good, right? Very good, Rahul. Rahul, you got actually your aim is mainly to go for engineering services, but you got a 37th rank in the GATE examination. Are you going to use this 37th rank, 32nd rank to join any PSU? Meanwhile,
yes, my prime purpose is to I will be joining the best ever, which will be the best available to me in my rank. So I will be joining that. And this is the last cycle of ESE for which I will be preparing. After that, I will be shifting to civil services, because after departure of railways and ordnance factories, mechanical ESE is not very, very lucrative at the moment, as it seems to me. So yeah, for this 2021 cycle, since I have prepared almost everything, so I will be appearing for ESE. And if I am able to clear it, well and good. If I am not, I will be shifting my focus towards civil services.
That is a good planning that we have. And we also wish you good luck in all your future endeavors, Mr. Rahul Shekhar. And thank you for sharing your thoughts and sharing your strategic preparation plans with our students. I think I think our discussion, whatever you have made, will be certainly very helpful to the aspirants of the GATE examination.
Definitely.
And once again, hearty congratulations on securing 32nd rank. And
Thank you, sir, and thank you.
to wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors, Rahul. Thank you
you,
once
sir.
again. God bless you. God bless
Thank
you.
you.
All the best.